Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I had a great question yesterday from Billy the Investor, a subscriber of the channel. I really appreciate these questions. It's great because this is something I actually haven't covered before. As we start to build our portfolio, I've talked a little bit about dividends and receiving them, but I never actually broke down how much I received for the month. So he had asked me how much I received for my portfolio in current portfolio, but the best thing to do is let's look back. We'll check out October. I'll show you what I made as a dividend income on this portfolio in October. So first off, what you'll want to do is you go into your Wealthsimple Trade app. There is a search function, and you can, if you have different accounts, you can actually go in and search, and you can display just the dividend income. So what I've done here is best thing to kind of do is we'll just go back a little bit and let you know what my portfolio total value was, because if you're going off today's value, it's going to kind of throw off thinking the returns aren't going to be the same. But anyways, our portfolio value at the end of October was $5,628.51. We were up a little bit because our net deposits were $5,522.73. Now, with that being said, we can go over and on our search and filter out by dividends. We can go back and look at October here, so we can see what we've received. And we've received R&W paid $1.96 on our dividends. SOT.UN, that's our Slate Office Real Estate Investment Trust, $1 on that one. VDY was $5.36, nice one from VDY. VFV, this one would pay $2.13, and then we have REI.UN, that's our RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, $2, and the last one we received on October 1st was from Telus, and that was $2.85. Now some of these were the dividends that are paid quarterly, and a few of them were the ones that come monthly, so we're not going to see the same things every month. That being said, the grand total was $15.30 on the portfolio for October. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you want to see more like these, just quick little short videos with some more updates on the portfolio, ask me a question. I would love to try and answer it. If you have something in particular you want to know about Wealthsimple or this portfolio, leave me a comment down below. As you're here, if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing, following along. We're trying to grow our portfolio from zero all the way up to $100,000. We're starting to get and build this up, so it's kind of great to see everybody up. The portfolio is growing and the channel is also growing as well. So thanks to all these subscribers that have subscribed so far. Thanks for all your questions, and I will see you all in the next video.